The Airforce 35 is JEI's sleek and compact drilling unit, designed to drill in places other drills just can't reach. With a compact height of only 180mm and a powerful pneumatic motor, this machine can not only drill in restricted spaces, it can drill in restricted areas as well. Perfect for the offshore industry, it's light, portable and powerful, with a capability to drill 35mm diameter holes in 30mm thick steel. A direct feed pump coolant system provides coolant to the standard 3/4 inch Weldon shank turbo steel cutters to extend tool life and maximise performance.